thought this would be fun, and I definitely know everything on this. But I thought I could ask for 5, 6, 7. So I also found these 3 plants.
Oh, nice.
And I put the I put the deer here because I thought that's where we went, but then I saw these, so I. But then she saw deer tracks.
All right, so you have to turn them over to get your badge, okay?
I'm impressed because not everybody does as well as.
Oh, look at you. Okay, here you go.
Where would you like your badge? Yeah.
You gotta hold still so you don't get yourself poked, kiddo.
That is awesome.
I'm proud of you, Emmett. You're welcome. Good job.
This is our first junior ranger badge.
Well, you got the ones from Acadia National Park.
I didn't really plan on being a ranger, but I didn't plan on being a ranger, but I plan on being an artist maker. Like I will draw like ranger marks. I got the real ranger badge.
Oh,
Look at me, I got a turtle.
love you. What it seems like if you're the face. La la la. I'm walking, I'm walking. I'm walking. Oh, hi, Emmett. Oh, that hurt. Hurt. Oh.
Hug.
Hug. Actually, yeah, I want to hug. But that's what it seems like if the face is you.
Park has some of
Come along with more adventures.
They have some of the
Nice as people.
They also have some of the cleanest bathrooms. Like maybe we should show them. I know it's like weird to show you guys a bathroom, but like it's very clean, no bugs, smells fine.
No bugs.
Nope. Let's go. All right.
Mom, we
Well,
got our
we're
junior
recording.
ranger badges. We got our junior ranger badges. We're going on
Okay,
a hike.
I'm putting on my
But we
shoes.
couldn't go on the hike that we were originally supposed to. Are we going on a hike? Ooh, and look at what the girl at the place gave us. She was only gonna
The
give us,
ranger.
the ranger. She was only gonna let us get one of these, but since we were so nice to her, she said we could have 2.
Yeah, so the kids earned their junior ranger badges for Baxter State Park this morning. And we were going to go to the Daicey Pond Trail, but so Baxter State Park is divided sort of into 3 different spots if you count the northern part of it. But the right side of the park is where Sandy Stream Pond is, and that's where all the people go to park when they're going to be hiking Mount Katahdin and some of the other like really serious peaks. And so those were closed, those were full today, which doesn't surprise me because it's beautiful weather out. So instead, we are going to be hiking to
Green grass hills. Green grass hills. Yes.
Grassy Pond.
Grassy Pond.
So it's, yeah, I think
Green
it's,
grass hills.
I think it's 1.5 miles out, and so it'll be 3 miles round trip, which is a little bit longer for you guys than
A little
normal.
bit longer? That's
Just a
bad.
little.
Bad.
Just a little.
Bad. 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 Bad.
So we're gonna bring you
Check
guys.
out. We're gonna bring you guys with the whole way on, and also, I love my fans, bro.
Let's get going. All right, so while the kids are putting their juice boxes back, I'm going to tell you about this story that I heard while the kids were getting their junior ranger badges. So years ago, a very long time ago, a 12-year-old boy actually got lost in the mountains. So he actually got lost out there for, I think she said it was 9 days he was out there. Do you know this story?
Oh, God, yeah.
I just found out about this today.
There's a movie about it.
That's what she said, but there was a little book in the visitor center, and so I guess he survived out there for like 9 days.
It was brutal. He, like, after the first day, he had to take his pants off for some reason, and there was bugs, and he lost, like, so much weight, and they found him, like, 60 miles.
Wow, 60?
He was on the top.
Yeah, that's crazy. I can't even imagine. 60 miles. That's wild. But yeah, I asked the ranger, I was like, did he like find his way out? Did he get rescued? And she said it was kind of both. And that, like, I guess he found his way like to a pond and someone on the pond saw him there. But yeah, really interesting. All right, so we are parked over at the Katahdin Stream parking. So I guess we're gonna have to cross the street going the way we came up here and then start the trail. All right, so we're currently parked over here at the Katahdin Stream Park day use parking. So we're gonna cross over here and then we're gonna get on the trail for the Grassy Pond Trail. Okay. Don't forget your water. Get your water. Don't let it get into the water. Don't forget your waters.
Grassy Pond has its own trail registry, and it said just walk down the road you came in, and there'll be a sign, and the register is right there. Because I asked if we should register on the other one at the Katahdin Stream trailhead.
Or like the Hunt trailhead.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. All right, cool. So then we're just gonna walk down the road that we came, and then we'll pick up on the trail. Yeah. Cool.
But see how this side's cracked off and it's sharp?
Yeah.
Can I see?
I don't think I ever told our followers what happened after we finished hiking Big and Little Niagara Falls. When we got back to the car, we came back and the truck had a flat tire.
totally flat. On the rim flat.
Yeah, so you had to change the tire after we hiked all morning.
Of course, I didn't have any of my normal equipment because I had emptied out the truck.
Oh wait, there's a little stream. Can we stop real quick?
Yes.
A little stream. We have to stop for every little stream we see, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
It is so calm. Hey Emmett, can you tell us what you were telling us earlier about turtles and toothpaste?
Oh yeah. You can make a turtle. You make turtle toothpaste with turtle. And we so that they would like put something in the turtles and it would suck their color out and make them albino.
Albino.
And then you would just put it into a toothpaste bucket and then it would be albino turtle and you would get turtle toothpaste.
Turtle flavored toothpaste?
No, yeah, turtle flavored toothpaste.
Ew.
You alright?
No, like toothpaste that is minty and that's turtle. It's easy to jump over this. Yeah, I fell on a spiky rock. I
Wow.
jumped over that one.
Impressive.
I swear.
You fell on a rock?
A spiky rock.
Did we find it?
Whoa, sun, too hot. Too hot.
It's 60 degrees.
Now I get to block. Now the sun. Now I get to block the sun. My turn. Wait for me, alien.
So should we just take it all the way to Daicey? To the Daicey Pond?
Yeah, I think so, because it's supposed to be a 1.5.
Or yeah, maybe 1.5.
It's supposed to be a 1.5 mile out and back.
Well,
Let's-
1 mile down the parking, so that would make 1.5.
Mommy. Mommy, there's a little stream.
Yeah.
What?
The spider jumped on me.
Mommy, I'm not scared of spiders. You are scared. Everyone follow my lead. Actually,
Don't climb all the way down. There's nowhere to go. All signed in?
Two people hiking the Appalachian Trail have been through here.
Really?
Right through here. You can hike it with me.
Cool.
One on the 16th, and then one today. Wow, his handwriting looks a lot like mine.
Grassy too.
Look at his 8.
You think so?
But even cuter.
You think you like my pigtails?
Yeah, like
Ooh, that was a mouse. Did you see that?
What is that mouse? A mouse is swimming in.
He literally ran right across the ground. I don't know if I got him on video. I wish I hadn't moved so fast, because then we could have seen it and then I could have gotten it on video, but I didn't.
It was a baby. It was a baby mouse. It was a baby one.
Comes out, goes horizontal, and then quick vertical.
Like a right turn.
Yeah.
Cool.
We had a tree like that at Southwood before we cleared out the lot for the house.
That's cool.
We got pictures of it somewhere.
Shall we?
We shall.
All right, well, let's make sure that we're quiet then so we could possibly see some moose.
What happened to the trees? I don't like it.
Probably a fire or something. Let's go.
I think it must have been bad.
Bad humans? No, I think it was a wildfire or like a lightning strike.
A lightning strike.
Yeah.
This is like a wildfire. Let's try. We'll catch up.
I'm moving as fast as my little toesies will let me move. Huh? No. What do you think it means?
Nope.
Oh, no, don't touch. Look. John.
That's not me.
Shall we clear it up?
Wait, I think.
Hey, John, this is not leaving no trace, John.
Wait, I know something. Mommy, wait. I think he meant to put it E there. See?
I think it's
He meant to do this.
I don't think you. He's so happy.
What does that say? Like Daddy and Canada.
Do you like see how the moss grows on like everything?
Moss goes on the ground, the moss
Is it soft?
goes-
Ooh. I want to like sleep on it. It's so
Let's
nice.
show the one in French. Show this one.
Not if I bring a bug net.
Mommy, look.
Because I'm a seasoned survivalist.
Mommy, that one feels even fuzzier. It feels even fuzzier.
Does it? Hey, Emmett, that Junior Ranger badge is looking good on you. Ellie, that Junior Ranger badge looking good on you.
Mommy, feel this one. Feel right here. Just feel it there.
Oh, ow. There was some pine in there, I think. The thing is, like, if I was lazy as often as I wanted to be, I would never get anything done. It's so pretty out here. I love it. This is our last time at Baxter State Park for a long time. Who knows when we'll be back. I'm gonna get a couple of this is some downhill, which means we're gonna have to go back uphill. I want to go sleep in there. This little spot where all that grass is. Doesn't that look so soft? That's where I want to sleep. You think so? Look at this. Is it dead? The grass, the moss, is this like white moss? Is it dead? Who's Coyote Peterson?
He's this crazy like outdoor dude on YouTube.
He looks
everything's stinging. To see like which is the most painful.
Which has been the most painful?
Yeah, the cow killer.
Either a bullet ant or a tarantula hawk wasp.
Wow.
But the winner with the
A
scorpion.
bullet ant, Ellie?
The winner with the scorpion.
A bullet ant?
Yeah. Bullet ants are very, very deadly. But the cow killer, don't ever touch him. He's a red bee that will kill you in instant seconds. He can kill a cow.
I'll keep that in mind. Look at that tree moving.
Oh. So on Wednesdays, we can hike. What day is it?
Wednesday.
And on Saturdays, e-scooter. Come on, guys, let's go on a journey together. Come on. Hi, did you know a bullet ant can do you know a bullet ant with 1% chance can kill a human?
1%?
Yeah.
It's not very high. What's the likelihood of running into a bullet ant out here?
Well, they're native to the Amazon rainforest, so probably pretty bad.
pretty bad, like...
Pretty bad chance of running.
Oh, okay. We're approaching a bridge. You want to lead? Go ahead.
Thank you. I'm gonna run down.
Be careful. There's no stream right here now. It must get very muddy. Go ahead, one bar at a time.
Woke up to a window full of bright blue sky. Soft wings flutter on the tangle wire nearby. In the garden there's a hush before the melody. Something in the silence gently sings to me. We move a little closer when the world is still. Every heartbeat echo in the rush I feel. Like two little hearts learning how to fly. Racing through the wind with the sun so high. We're tangled up together on this morning line. Found in this life, I know you're mine. Dancing through the leaves as the shadows fall. Moments that we gather, I remember them all. Perched above the chaos, we watch it slip away. In this soft migration, I know we'll stay. We move a little closer just because we can. Building every rhythm with our open hands. Like two little hearts learning how to fly.
Please stay on the trail.
Whoop. The sun so high. We're tangled up together on this morning line. Found in this life, I know you're mine. All the storms we carried, we made it through. Still chasing every sunrise, I'm beside you. Wing to wing, we paint the dawn. Together we're strong, we'll keep holding on. Like two little hearts learning how to fly. Racing through the wind with the sun so high. We're tangled up together on this morning line. Found in this life, I know you're mine. Found in this life, I know you're mine.
Oh, what's this? It's weird. See all the foam? You think so? You making that up? You can't say stuff like that to me. I will believe you.
Not when I tell you.
Oh, look.
It's a hedgehog, right?
We've come to a split. Ready? Let's go down. There's a little tiny split here. See what we can find. Let's figure out a way to get down there, but that's not a trail. We can go through here. Let's see what happens. A platypus. We get down going that way. A little bit more. This is a little trail. Don't want to go too far off the trail. This is still a trail, but we don't want to go too far off of the trail that we were actually on. But I really would love to get in here. So let's see if we can find a way in. Maybe down here. It looks like it's a little bit worn down, but there's a little more. There we go. I just took a little detour. Hey babe, you're gonna want to come out here. You are gonna want to come out here. Look at this sweet little spot I just found. Are you guys coming? Look what I found. Look what I found. This is like the perfect spot for a moose. Good job.
That probably goes right back up.
That's what Anna said, but what if it doesn't? We can go check, but
Backtrack if it doesn't. Just have to backtrack to the spot and go back.
maybe you get a better view of the mountain right here. Yeah, you do. Woo! Look at that view.
these flowers?
I think it's like berry shells.
Do you think it's a...
I don't think that's scat. I think that's something eating something. Pretty sure those are acorn shells.
Probably a squirrel. But they're not, Daddy. They're like colorful.
I know, because they're new. They haven't been out in the forest for a while.
You think?
Yeah, I do.
I don't know. To me, it says like scat, like it was pooped out. But honestly, though, the way that it's all spread, maybe not.
I didn't get a good see it.
Oh, hold on.
Can I get a good see it? Wait, can I get a good see it?
Hold it up in your hand, Alice.
A green one?
Except for that one time I didn't take sure steps and I twisted my ankle. Yeah, at Moosewood Lake. Is this elbow pond, you think? like these. You know, everybody thinks they're cool. Holy sh! Whoops. I mean, wow. Sorry, I was looking at the roots. Elbow Pond Connector. Right, let's look at our map. Emmett. All right, Elbow Pond Connector. So, help me figure out where that means we are.
There's another sign over here.
Oh, I guess we did walk right past the Grassy Pond.
Well, that's where we were at.
Yeah. So it looks like the Elbow Pond Connector is over there, which is probably over here.
So we parked here. We came down to Grassy Pond, and we're right there.
Cool.
So that's the connector. Unless it's this, but
The connector is
Oh, that's-
0.7 miles. That's almost a whole mile or so.
yeah.
Is this a hiking trail?
We've
It's too bad we're
done-
not strong
I
enough
think we've done
to do
0.8
like
miles.
to go from here to here and then come back up.
But then we'd have to walk down the road.
No, I know, but the kids are already complaining about being tired anyway.
Yeah.
So I guess now we turn around, yeah?
Yeah.
Unless you want to continue to the outlet canoe, 0.3 miles. Oh my gosh.
Surprise.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was not expecting. Okay, did you see that guy? Did you see him come?
No.
You didn't warn me. He scared the crap out of me. It looks like it's right up ahead. So here we are. We made it to Daicey Pond, but now which way? The campground itself is still 0.8 miles. Cool, we were on the Appalachian. That's fun. I love that. I don't know why, but I feel extra cool whenever we're on the Appalachian Trail. Daicey Pond Nature Trail. We're on it. 0.2 miles to the Elbow Pond Junction. Bye, Els. All right, and we made it to our little spot. So Grassy Pond, that was the spots that we showed you over a little bit ago where there was some water, but so that was mostly it. So now actually we ended up walking all the way back down to Daicey Pond, and now we're gonna get some views here real quick before we head on back. Ellie?
Right here.
Oh. Oh, I remember this spot.
I love this spot. Do you know how much I want to swim?
Sorry, you definitely cannot swim here.
Whee!
When do you want to take this?
This is what it feels like to be
Hey guys, do you want to know how to get
in
down?
Maine. I guess.
Guys, do you want to know how to get down if you can't get up?
Thank you, sir.
Guys, do you want
Oh,
to know the easy
look,
way to
we're
get
at
down?
Grassy Pond Landing. All that talking. We're gonna say our final goodbyes to Baxter State Park. Who knows when we will be back? I am sad. I love it here. And that's a wrap on Baxter State Park.
We're gonna miss this place.
Yeah, but we're gonna come back in a long.
Like, look at this. I don't want to leave. Don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. Do you want to do one more final send-off from Baxter State Park?
Thanks for taking the long way.
We're gonna miss Baxter State Park.